Swami Vivekananda once predicted that India would rise on the basis of power of knowledge. And I think he was right enough because knowledge has become the greatest assets of our country. Today's modern period, India need to focus on the strength of knowledge. But it should be clear that knowledge should not be compared with hiring intelligent ministers from top business schools. The leader or the CEO of an organization or company should be knowledge seeker himself. As we all know that the CEO holds a position of power and is the command and the decision maker. He, as in CEO of a company or the organization, should not get toxicated, because if he gets into the stage of toxication, he'll lose his position. And now this is where today's podcast deal with. In today's podcast, I have discussed how can the leaders or the CEOs of a company or the organization can make his organization a knowledge organization. And this can be ensured by number one, gather more information. As a CEO, you should gather more and more information, and you should always be in a hurry to seek more knowledge, which is important for the growth of the organization. अब उस नॉलेज को पाने के लिए आप कोई भी टूल यूज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन यूज एनी डैम टूल, वेदर इज कंसर्न विद टेक्निकल फील्ड और वेदर इट्स कंसर्न विद रीडिंग मोर एंड मोर बुक्स. द चॉइस इज योर्स, बट गेनिंग नॉलेज इज कंपल्सरी. बट one thing you should keep in mind, that information does not mean knowledge. This should be clear in your mind, guys. Second point that I want to mention is study the information acquired. A leader should study and analyze information acquired and spend at least 1 hour a day in learning something new or creating something new which would benefit the organization ultimately. Third, experiment. Whatever you have acquired knowledge of, whether it's concerned with the technical field or you have learned something related to finance, whichever field you have learned for or whichever field your company or organization is working, you should experiment it in your company or the organization. Like for example, if you have read about some tech which might be useful for your company's growth, then as an CEO you should take a right step of creating or buying that technology. Fourth and the most important thing is train your staff and members about the new technology or the new knowledge you've acquired for. ये डर हटा दो कि teaching your subordinates will make you lose your position. This mindset of 90s business leaders should just remove it from your mind, because ज्ञान बांटने से बढ़ता है, हम अपने बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं. तो this behavior shows your ego and insecurity. अगर आप इसको पालोगे, आपके एम्प्लॉयज, आपके स्टाफ मेंबर्स यही देखेंगे आप में, that you are egoistic, that you are insecure about your position, which is not good for your company's growth. Thus at last I'll say, as a CEO or the leader or the business owner, you should be a lifelong learner. Keep this in your mind, lifelong learner. Learning should not stop at a particular stage. It's a lifelong journey. And जैसे जैसे आप सीखोगे, नई नई चीज़ें सीखोगे, आपका भी नॉलेज बढ़ेगा, योर कंपनीज ग्रोथ विल ऑल्सो एक्सपांड. जिस दिन आपने सीखना बंद कर दिया, आई गारंटी आपकी कंपनी नहीं बढ़ेगी. सो डेली आपको कुछ नया सीखना है एंड ट्राई इट टू अप्लाई इन योर कंपनी. सो आई होप यू लाइक दी पॉडकास्ट, एंड इफ यू डू सो, प्लीज लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड कॉमेंट. Thank you guys and have a great day, and please give a thought on what I said. Thank you and have a great day.